So this is question number 2. Let's start. The time of death of a mammal can be determined in a number of ways. The identification of insects present on the body can be used to estimate how long a mammal has been dead. Which method uses the numbers and species of insects to estimate how long a mammal has been dead? So chromatography, what does it do? It separates out solutions like through the chromatography process. Dendrochronology is the study of tree rings. Evolution is it looks at speciation, and forensic entomology is the study of forensic science. Like we use animals, dead animals or animals, insects in the body to determine the time of a death of a person. Okay. Now next question is explain why body temperature and the degree of muscle contraction can be used to determine the time of death of a mammal. So how do you determine the time of a death of a person? By looking at the body temperature and the degree of muscle contraction in the dead body. The answer is that when a person dies, the body temperature of that person start to decrease. Because why? It is because all the metabolism in the body, all the reactions that are happening in the body, in a human body, stops and falls to zero. And that's why the body temperature falls and the air temperature is lower. So the body is when the body is producing no heat, it turns cold. So by finding out the ambient temperature and the temperature of the body, we can calculate the time of the death. And it is same for the muscle contraction. When no reaction is happening in the body, rigor mortis takes place in the body. Okay, the muscle stiffness takes place. Muscle stiffness relaxes when the bacteria and the microorganisms and this enzymes within ourselves start to decrease our body. Okay, so by that we can find out the time of our death. Okay, so let's see the answer. Because body temperature drops with increase in time after death, the body temperature falls as the air temperature is lower and the body is no longer producing any kind of heat through metabolism. And time of death can be calculated if ambient temperature and change in the body temperature is known. Muscle stiffness like rigor mortis occur and then relaxes again. Stiffness because levels of ATP decreases. Stiffness decreases because bacteria, microorganism, enzymes break down the muscles. So this is the end of question 2. Now let's move on to question 3.